Welcome to today's Word tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. A table of contents is especially useful for longer documents, making it easy for readers to navigate. Let's dive in. Step-by-step instructions. Using heading styles. Before creating a table of contents, you'll need to apply heading styles to your document's titles and sections. Select a section title, go to the Home tab, and in the Styles group, choose Heading 1 for main titles, Heading 2 for subsections, and so on. This formatting tells Word what should appear in the table of contents. Inserting the table of contents. Once your headings are set, click where you want the table of contents to appear, usually at the beginning of the document. Go to the References tab, then click on Table of Contents. You'll see several automatic TOC styles. Choose the one that fits your document. Word will generate the table of contents based on your headings. Updating the table of contents. If you make changes to your document, like adding new sections, you'll need to update the table of contents. Click on the TOC, then click Update Table. Choose Update Entire Table to refresh all entries and page numbers. Customizing the table of contents. To customize the appearance of your TOC, go back to Table of Contents in the References tab and select Custom Table of Contents. Here, you can adjust settings like the number of levels to include and choose whether to show dotted lines between entries and page numbers. Removing the table of contents. To remove the TOC, click on it, then go to Table of Contents in the References tab and select Remove Table of Contents. This will delete it from your document. Closing, and that's it. Now you know how to create, update, and customize a table of contents in Microsoft Word. This feature is a great way to organize longer documents and make them easier to navigate. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with any Word questions you'd like us to cover. Thanks for watching.